All right, we have alert day in place. Winter weather advisory for this area. See Eau Claire, Black River Falls. All the mileage, the acreage covered in the pink. That's a winter storm warning in place primarily through tonight. Some spots through 6 o'clock tomorrow. On our alert day, now you want to be cautious on the roadways. I know I'm repeating myself here. There's a reason for that though, right? Hazardous travel due to the snow accumulation. We have the wind, you get the blowing and drifting. Visibility issues as well, and we have those already. I-94 and south conditions deteriorate accordingly the further south you go. Southwestern Wisconsin's getting the heavier snowfall totals as far as our viewership. Here's what we're seeing across our area right now, what you can see. All right, the system we're talking about, roughly the core, is to our south right now. Generally to the south, we'll go with that. Use St. Louis as a reference point, and this is what we're getting out of it. Closer shot. We have the snow, a little heavier in some spots at this point. The darker the colors, the heavier the snowfall. It's 31 La Crosse right now. It feels like 23. The wind at roughly 10 miles an hour out of the north. The gusts in the 20+ mile an hour range already. They're going to pick up as we get further into the day. It's 30 in Eau Claire right now and feels like 22. A little bit of a wind chill with that north breeze. You can see where the winds are. Not overly intense at this point. I can see they're already beginning to shift out of the north. The gusts, here's where we're at right now, 20-ish. We get later on into the day today, the afternoon hours, we're talking gusts in the 25 to 30 range. Some spots like Prairie du Chien, you see the gusts, 36 mile an hour gust, blowing and drifting. Continues into this evening, then we get into tomorrow morning. See the numbers, the colors decreases, better situation as we get into our Wednesday. The visibility issues, you see, it's showing 0 Black River Falls, most spots pretty slim, so that factors into the driving and your safety. Snow across the area towards the 7 o'clock hour. That on Sky Tracker as I take you towards noon. It shifts a little bit, but still a lot of us still seeing snow, not necessarily Eau Claire in areas to the north and the west. Later on this afternoon, the afternoon commute. Here's where things are looking at that point too. The track could shift a little bit, but it's a pretty good ballpark figure to watch at this point. Still light snow, afternoon commute for La Crosse. Then by later on tonight, that hopefully should be it for us. Cloudy on our Wednesday. This is Wednesday night. Possibility of seeing another round of light snow this go around. The amounts, roughly, you go towards Eau Claire, areas to the north and the west, 1 to 3 inches already. I think Eau Claire's already seen an inch or two. Then you work your way higher amounts as you go south and to the east. Madison area, some spots could see close to a foot. In the 30s this afternoon with the snow varying in rates and intensity through the day, blowing and drifting. Here's what it's going to feel like. Basically 10 degrees chillier than what the air temperature is, in addition to the blowing and the drifting. 31 tomorrow, Thursday 26, Friday 26 with a chance of seeing some snow adding up a little bit. And then over the weekend, some pretty chilly temperatures.